Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to pay with Afterpay on hotels. So how do you pay for hotels? So simply open up Afterpay, log into your account. So once I've logged into your Afterpay account, so if you want to pay for your hotels, so what you can do, you can hit on this shop option here. You can also use the Afterpay app. It's either way same process. So hit on the shop option here. So once you click on the shop option here, so now what you're going to do, you're going to simply search for the hotel that you want to pay for. So for example, hotel, if you search for it, then it should pop up all the hotels supported by Afterpay. Or you can also use the like hotels providing sites like hotels.com or bookings.com also. So for example here, so just open up the hotel and then that will navigate you, take you to the official site of that hotel and through Afterpay. So you need to do that through the Afterpay app. You shouldn't. Then only you'll be able to use Afterpay to make the payment. So make sure you are browsing the hotel site through Afterpay. All right. So once you get in here, so you can now, for example, here I'm on hotels.com through Afterpay. So all I have to do is just choose my hotel and my, like how I normally do, and then when I go to the booking session or the checkout session, I just simply have to use Afterpay option because I'm logged in through Afterpay. As you can see my page here, I have this Afterpay option, Afterpay logo here, so which means that I'm I'm at hotels.com through Afterpay. So you make sure you need to you access this through Afterpay site. All right. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.